can't grow in this shade. Shadows are made when I am happy again. You gave.
It is day 2 of the Deloitte ride across Britain, and it's a pretty view. This is where we stayed last night. It was so windy. It was that windy. I woke up a few times. I thought someone was trying to like shake my tent and get into the tent. So hopefully, oh my god, that tent is blown over. So hopefully the wind is going to be behind us, give us a bit of a tailwind. I think it's 177k and about 2,000 meters, so it's going to be a little bit longer than yesterday, but like not as much climbing. So yes, we're going to be going through one of the prettiest sections of this ride, but I'm not going to tell you where it is yet. I'm just going to wait and you can see it as I experience it. So and the bag's in, my bike is just there waiting for me, and I'm going to head off. So I will see you along the route.
Give to me your heart and your soul, so let's fall away. Can we be strangers?
Happy birthday, dear Sean. Happy birthday to you.
You can't really see, but in that little thing there's such a steep climb. There's like loads of little cyclists. There's like little ants in the distance. They'll just come up from down there, which was pretty steep. I love to climb. That is the nicest thing ever. We just come up to this climb. This climb is really good actually. It's quite punchy. But how nice is that? I feel like I'm a pro. It really does just help though, and it's how beautiful it is around here. Pop the cars, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. And these lovely people just cheering us on. So just at the second stop of the day, and then now we're going to head off to the beautiful Cheddar Gorge, and that's where I was on about this morning, where it's going to be so beautiful. I think someone said it's like maybe 4k climb, but it's meant to be spectacular. I've never been, so I'm very excited about a climb that I've never done that is meant to be this beautiful. So I'm gonna head off now. I think it's about 120k, and the whole ride is like 180ish. It's only like 60k to go with a beautiful climb in it. So super excited about that. So let's go. This place, and the other cars, but wow, this is spectacular. Wow, and it's a climb. Whoop whoop! Look at this place. It was amazing. Oh really? It's a bit windy. Look at that. Oh my god! Look at this. This is one of the nicest climbs I've ever done. I know I always say that, but wow, this is insanely beautiful. Wow. It just keeps turning. There's just like, look how high up it goes. There's rocks. See what's around this corner. More rocks. I'm really sorry, I expected Cheddar Gorge to kind of carry on up there, like all the beautiful rocks and stuff. So I was going to stop at the top and get loads of like nice footage. And then it just kind of turned into a country lane. That's not what I was expecting. So sorry about that, but yeah, this is where I am. Just having a little stop, getting a little bit of food. I think it's only about 30k left, so it's about 180k today. So yeah, only about 30k left, which it seemed a lot easier today. I think my legs have just kind of ridden into it, so we shall see. So the first 2 days were meant to be like 2 of the toughest, like climbing wise, so they are out of the way almost. So I'm just gonna head back. Yeah, it's been a blooming good day, really enjoying it, absolutely loving the chats with all these people. It's almost like, it just reminds me like of a big long Audax. But yeah, it is amazing.